Finding the right tennis racket as an intermediate player can be tough. Too much power and you lose control, too little and your game suffers. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Wilson Tour Slam Racket. The Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket caught my eye immediately with its vibrant pink and gray design. And at just $37.33, it's priced for those looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. If you want a racket that combines power and stability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The volcanic frame technology improves power and stability, which is crucial when you're trying to hit those baseline shots with precision. The power strings feature longer strings that create explosive power, perfect for those moments when you need to put the ball away. Plus, the lightweight airlight alloy construction means you can swing without feeling fatigued, while the stop shock pads reduce vibrations, giving you a more comfortable feel with every hit. With over 1,000 units sold just this past month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the grip size being too small for larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you have medium to smaller hands, this could actually enhance your control, making it easier to maneuver. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight racket that doesn't sacrifice power or control. Skip this one if you have larger hands or are looking for a more advanced level racket. With that price tag, it's a steal for the features you get. Now, if the grip size was a concern for you, the next option is worth considering for its larger grip and additional features.
Product number 2. Oppum 2-Pack Rackets. We have the Oppum 2-Pack Adult Tennis Rackets, priced at $48.99. What impressed me here is that it comes with 2 rackets, making it perfect for playing with a partner. If you want a complete starter kit that protects your arm, this is a solid choice. The built-in dampening fibers in the composite frame are a game changer for preventing tennis elbow. If you're playing regularly, this feature is invaluable. The oversized 105 square inch head provides a massive hitting area, which means even if you're not hitting the center perfectly, you still get decent power and precision. Weighing in at just 290 grams, these rackets allow for effortless swings, which is especially beneficial as you're still honing your technique. It's been bought over 500 times in the last month, proving it's popular among beginners and intermediates alike. However, some users noted that the rackets felt a bit flimsy after heavy use, but here's the thing. Given the price and the included accessories like the bag and balls, it's a fantastic deal for occasional play. This is perfect for couples or friends just getting into tennis. Skip this one if you're looking for something more durable or plan on playing at a highly competitive level. For the price, you're getting a complete kit that's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance between weight and performance. Product number 3. Hirali Tennis Racket Set. The Hirali Tennis Rackets 2-Pack comes in at $41.99, and I really appreciated the lightweight design at just 260 grams. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly set that won't tire you out, this is a great pick. The thickened aluminum construction offers superior durability, so you won't have to worry about the frame warping. This is especially beneficial if you're still getting used to your swing and may not always hit the sweet spot. Plus, the reinforced joint stability absorbs shock, which gives you a stable feel on every hit, perfect for building confidence in your shots. This package includes everything you need: 2 rackets, 3 pressureless balls, and a portable carry bag, making it ideal for spontaneous matches. Some users mentioned that it might feel a bit light for those who prefer a heavier racket, but honestly, if you're still working on your form, a lighter racket can be an advantage as it allows for quicker adjustments and better practice. This is perfect for couples or families looking to start playing together. Skip this one if you're already an advanced player who prefers more weight for power. Overall, it offers fantastic value for those just starting out. Now, if you're looking for something with a more specialized design for serious play, the next option might be just what you need.
Product number 4. Head TI-S6 Racket. We have the Head TI-S6 tennis racket priced at $99. This one stood out to me for its head-heavy balance, which is great for stability and control. If you need a racket that offers a larger sweet spot, this is worth considering. The oversized 115-inch head is perfect for those still mastering their precision, which means you can still get good power on off-center hits. The titanium and graphite construction makes it lightweight yet durable, ensuring it can withstand regular play. With a frame weight of just 252 grams, you'll find it easy to maneuver, especially if you're transitioning from a beginner to an intermediate level. It's been bought over 200 times recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, a few reviews pointed out that it might be too light for players who prefer heavy rackets for powerful shots. But here's the thing. If you're still working on your technique, this could actually help you work on your control and placement. This is perfect for players looking to improve their consistency and control without sacrificing power. Skip this one if you prefer a heavier racket for more power. For the quality and performance, it's a solid investment. Lastly, if you're ready to take your game up a notch, the next racket combines advanced materials and performance.
Product number 5. Head Graphene XT Speed MP. We have the Head Graphene XT Speed MP tennis racket, also priced at $99. This is designed for intermediate to advanced players and offers a fantastic balance of control, spin, and power. If you're serious about elevating your game, keep listening. The 4-point headlight balance allows for quicker maneuverability, which is essential during fast-paced matches. At a strong weight of 315 grams, it provides a solid feel without being too heavy. The durable graphite construction means you can trust it to last through those intense practice sessions. It's a favorite among serious players, with over 100 purchases recently, indicating its popularity. However, some users found it challenging to generate power without a solid swing technique. But honestly, if you're committed to improving, this racket will reward you for your efforts. This is perfect for intermediate players ready to take their skills to the next level. Skip this one if you're still working out your basic technique or prefer a more forgiving racket. For those who are serious, it's a worthy investment. Now, let's wrap this up and see how they all stack up against each other.
So, to quickly compare these 5 amazing options, the Wilson Tour Slam is great for beginners wanting lightweight power, while the OPUM 2-pack offers complete starter kits at an unbeatable price. The Hurley set is perfect for families, and the Head TI S6 is ideal for players focusing on precision. Finally, the Head Graphene XT Speed MP is tailored for those ready to elevate their game.